I will sing first. While I am singing, I'm going to come down from the stage and I'm going to choose random people in the audience tonight to sing with me. Ready? Here we go. Sa ilalim ng ilaw.
Wow! Bye! Have a great time! Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat! It is Christmas time and that means there are Christmas parties happening all over the Philippines. Ngayong gabi, mag-host po ako ng Christmas party ng Philinvest Supermalls. Now, eto ang pinakaunang Christmas party nila na kung saan kinuha nila ang professional host. So, it's a huge honor for me to host this event, to be the first professional host that they've got outside of their own company. Kadalasan kasi, kinukuha nila ang mga employee nila to be the host. Pero ngayon, they've got me, dwaine.woolley. Ayan. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, panoorin niyo po kung paano ako mag-host ng Christmas party or corporate event dito sa Pilipinas. Let's go!
Go, don't stop. We against the clock. Go, don't stop.
Welcome back to the second half of our program this evening. Can we get started with a round of applause, please? Yes, fantastic. We'll be doing many of those tonight, trust me, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, we're going to do some right now. We have some new VIPs just joined us this evening. When I call your name, please stand. Everyone else give them a round of applause. First up, we have Denise Ray Lagayan, Assistant Vice President for Marketing. Next up, Leonard Gonzalez, Vice President of Philinvest for Security and Safety. And next up joining us tonight, we have Rizal Angela Reyes, the Vice President of HRAT. There she is, looking lovely tonight. Welcome, welcome. And ladies and gentlemen, tonight we're gonna get kicked off with a bang. In fact, you're gonna help me get us kicked off with a bang tonight. Okay, I will sing first. While I am singing, I'm going to come down from the stage and I'm going to choose random people in the audience tonight to sing with me. Huwag kayong mag-alala, OPM to, Original Philippine Music. Alright, here we go. Kilala niyo ba si Juan Carlos? Nakilalang kilala, no? Alright, kanta muna tayo. Here we go. Pag dumaan ako sa table nyo, isumbong nyo ang mga kilala nyong magaling kumanta. Walang takasan ngayong gabi. Ako'y sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. Ganda mo sa paningin. Ready? Here we go! Sa ilalim ng ilaw. Ilalim ng buwan.
What?
Sa ilalim ng buwan ba? Palagpagan natin, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, basta Pilipino magaling kumanta. Tama ba? Tama. O, diba? Sino ba dito sa Flora ang magaling kumanta? Ito? Ayan. I'm gonna stay down here on the floor, okay? Because tonight, we're gonna keep our eyes fixed on the stage. We have a special opening number for each and every one of you tonight. So keep your eyes fixed on the stage, ladies and gentlemen, and let's give a big, warm round of applause for our opening number tonight, the Elite Pioneers!
Let's go. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. 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 Let's go.
These performances tonight, they have practiced all year to win this evening, all right? So make sure you give them lots and lots of support. Remember, 10% of their score is audience impact. Mag-practice po tayo ngayong gabi. We're going to practice cheering as loud as you can, okay? So, kunwari, ako si Piolo Pascual. Okay? Kunwari, ako si Piolo Pascual. I'm going to go backstage. Tago muna ako. Paglabas ko dito, kailangan sigawan nyo, palakpakan nyo, na parang si Piolo Pascual mismo ang nandito ngayong gabi. Okay? Handa na ba kayo? Yes? Okay, I'm going to go backstage. I'm going to walk out. Paglabas ko dito, I'm not going to say anything. Ganun lang. You need to cheer, clap, and scream as if Piolo Pascual mismo ang nandito ngayong gabi. Di ba nasa intro ko kanina, di ba nandito siya? Akala ng iba na Piolo Pascual ang host ngayon. Alright, so let's practice, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Are you guys ready? Okay.
This beautiful life.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, you can do better than that. Come on, dapat marinig tayo dun sa EDSA. Okay, super loud. Let's raise the roof of the Philinvest tent ngayong gabi. Nice and loud. Palakpakan, sigawan. Nice and loud for 5 seconds. Okay? 5 seconds lang naman. Kaya nyo yan. Okay, this is practice for our performers tonight. Alright? One more time. Okay, one more time. Last chance yun na. Okay, that's pretty good. A little bit better. Okay, nice.
Trying to get you, just so happen I'm melting. So right through the cracks, and I'm trying to get back. It's no more, no more. And I wait, I'm yours to count.
Bye, have a great time.
Puso ay nanubay ng kaibigan. Ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw. Hanggat ako'y hanggang na may pag-asa pa.
Sa panonood sa video na to. So that is how I host corporate events. Alright guys, if you'd like to book me for a corporate event, just send me an email at dwaine.woolley@gmail.com and let's talk about throwing you one epic Christmas party. Alright, kita-kits sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now.